أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Here is Imran Haider Shah, and I am here to discuss mean for ungrouped data. And first of all, we will explain that what is ungrouped data. In my previous lecture, I have explained the types of the data, and ungrouped data is data in which we take individual values, individual qualities, individual quantities. So first of all, what is mean for ungrouped data? We will define it. Mean is just another name of average. To find the mean of data set, add the values together and divide by the number of values in the set. The result is your mean. To explain it, we will do some examples, and first, before solving the example, we see the formula of the mean. So formula of the mean is just this. Mean, as we define that sum of all observations we have divided by total number of observation. Sum of all observation divided by total number of observations. So we can write its formula as mean is equal to x1 plus x2 plus x3 up to xn over n. Here x1, x2 and x3 are the observations, are data, and n is the number of observations. And we can symbolically explain it that mean of ungrouped data is expressed by x bar, and we can write these values x1, x2, x3 symbolically summation xi over n, where I is equal to 1, 2, 3 up to n. So this was the definition and formula of mean for ungrouped data. Now we will look on an example, and its sense will be more clear. So looks at an example. So example number 1, we have an example. The students scored 80%, 72%, 50%, 64% and 74% marks in 5 subjects in an examination. Find the mean percentage of marks obtained by student. Now he is calling us that find the mean of the data which he gave us. Now here is the observations. Here observation in percentage is x1 is 80% because first value which he gave us, that is 80%. x2 is 72%. And similar way, x3 is 50%, x4 is 64%, and x5 is 74%. So first of all, we will write the formula of mean. Therefore, mean is x bar is equal to x1 plus x2 plus x3 plus x5 plus x5. This is sum of all the observations divided by total number of observation. As we have total 5 observations, so we divide it by 5. Now put the values of the observations. That the first one was 80 plus 72 plus 50 plus 64 plus 74 and divided by 5. When you add these numbers, it will become 340, and 340 divided by 5, and this will be equal to 68. This will be equal to 68. Now this is our mean. This value is our mean. This value is our mean. So therefore, mean percentage of the marks obtained by student was 68%. In common language, we can say this mean is average. This mean is average of the data. So this was the first example. Now we will solve another example. Here is the statement of the example. Shahid Afridi scored the following runs in 6 innings of a series: 45, 2, 78, 20, 55 and 7. Find the mean of the runs scored by the batsman in the series. Now we will solve it as, first of all we will write the formula of the mean. X bar, we will represent X bar mean, and this will be x1 plus x2 plus x3 plus x4 plus x5 plus x6, and total observations are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and we divide it by 6. Now here x1 is equal to first value 45, x2 is equal to 2, x2 is equal to 2, x3 is equal to 78, and x4 is equal to 20, x5 is equal to 55, and x6 is equal to 7. Now put these values in this formula. So x bar will be equal to 45 plus 2 plus 78 plus 20 plus 55 plus 7 divided by 6. So x bar will be equal to, when you add these number 45 plus 2 plus 78 plus 20 plus 55 plus 7, it will become 207 divided by 6. And x bar is equal to, when you divide 207 by 6, it will become 34.5. Now this is the mean score. So mean score will be, so this was the second example. We repeat it as we have these values 45, 2, 78, 20, 55 and 7. The task was this, that we find x bar, in other sense mean. X bar is mean. So we just write the formula of the mean, that was x1, x2, x3, x4, x5 and x6 divided by 6. This is number of observation. So when we add these number, that was 45, 2, 78, 20, 55, 7 by 6, so we will get this, and when we operate the division operation, we will get the answer in sense of mean. X bar was 34.5, so mean score will be 34.5. This is the concept of mean for ungrouped data. Thank you very much.